We're in Aulani. Look at this. I'm ready to go to Aulani. Don't really want to leave Maui though. We got a little plane today. Look, there's been a Bigfoot sighting in Maui.
What?
We're in Aulani. Look at this. It's amazing. Here's like the volcano out there.
I was just saying to Jordan, today might be the second best day of my life.
Behind
The wedding.
the wedding. They gave us little
And I don't want to get them wet.
celebration pins.
Dua Mali, yeah.
We're in Aulani.
We're in Aulani.
It's magic.
I've been wanting to come here since whenever it was built, which we were like teenagers maybe.
Yeah.
And I see it every year in the Disney Parks parade and it makes me want to come here. I'm in Hawaii and at Disney at the same time.
It's amazing.
It's amazing. Also, Mason is making his way to the world right now. Going home to a new little baby to hold will be pretty exciting.
It will be fun, yeah. So we just got here. Our room's not ready yet, so we're just kind of chilling by the pool. Got a drink, maybe grab some food.
I can't stop smelling my smell-o-vision coming
Smell
soon.
it. We need some 4D Disney magic. Alright, here we go. Our room's ready. We're about to go check it out.
Never stayed in such a nice Disney resort.
Oh, it's amazing. What is that? 144? No, they're in that one. This is occupied.
So does that one.
Your room number is 144. Have a magical day.
It says your room is being serviced by an Aulani cast member.
What do? Do we just knock on the door and say, we're here? I wanted to see the room.
So close.
It's almost there.
Well, we can explore the area.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a cast member.
The magic has already started. We got lunch and they gave us a free dessert and we got a card from Minnie and Mickey. All right, let's try again.
Okay, there's still like some stuff.
There's some laundry out here, but it doesn't say it's occupied. And the maid car has moved down the hall. All right, let's see. Oh, it worked. The door opened.
Oh,
Oh, it smells really good in here.
I was gonna say, just cleaned it. Ooh. Oh, look, Moana.
What to new is all you need. Oh, look at the Mickey!
He's got a uke.
He's playing the ukulele. We got a Mickey towel, king bed, little dolphin picture. Let's see our view.
Oh, we have like a screen there, so we can have it
Oh, so we can
open.
keep it open. Nice.
Yeah.
We got the standard view room.
Yeah, but even though it's a standard view, since we're on the first floor, look, we have a gate.
We have our own entrance and
So we
exit.
have like private pool access, like that.
Yeah, and then we can just go right out to the pool, right out there. This is amazing. You guys, the service here is so amazing. At lunch, we got that free dessert, and then while we were waiting for the room to get cleaned, we just went to grab drinks, and they give us more free dessert. We
had all the free desserts. I
Yeah.
texted my dad, I was like, we got 2 free desserts within an hour. I wonder how many we can get.
They gave us a chocolate brownie and Dole Whip, and it was like, what in the world? This is amazing. Disney, you've outdone yourself.
Even this like menu book is
Wow,
beautiful.
fancy.
Y como
We got
mai.
our fridge. Anything in the fridge? Nope.
Anything in the fridge. Is there a free bottle of champagne in here for us?
Disney Resort TV. Oh, there's a closet with like a nice robe in here and some slippers.
So pretty. I love the wood. Did Joe Rody design this?
Yo, the shower.
Oh, look at the like stone.
This is stone wall. It's got
a
like a
big
huge
tub.
shower head, like double shower head here with a
Oh,
with a big tub.
that's cool.
Oh, babe, moment of truth. What kind of soap do they got?
Oh, I don't know, but there's a lot of it.
It's H2O, Hawaiian sea salt. Does it smell amazing?
I'm a little stuffed up.
Oh, it smells good. Okay, so if you guys don't know, the Disney Resort soap and shampoo, like the blushing orange and the grapefruit, are like our favorite scents in the world.
This reminds me of the one that I got at the Caribbean beach.
Oh, look, we got a dental kit.
Wait, why is the packaging for it so cute?
So for like a while we talked about what we thought the soap would smell like, and it smells amazing.
Wait, there's so many bottles. What are they all? Oh, they gave us 2 shampoos and 2 conditioners.
Second robe here.
There's 2 robes?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. The Westin only gave us one robe.
I know, this is way better than the Westin. I know Katie already mentioned this earlier, but this is like, seriously, this is like a dream come true. I can't tell you how many times I watched like the Christmas Parks Parade and they do the Aulani specials, and I was just like, one day we're gonna go there and we're gonna experience that. And now we're here. And it's just been so magical. From the moment we got here, they gave us the leis. We got greeted, they gave us like spa water, whole like explanation of the lobby and what all the artwork means. We've gotten all these desserts. It's been so amazing. And oh, I'm so excited. We gotta test the bed, because the Westin had the heavenly bed.
You messed up the Mickey!
No, Mickey!
Literally, when you said you were gonna do that, I almost was like, just don't mess up the Mickey.
Well, he's back together now.
You messed up the flower.
It's a nice bed. Oh, we have a message. I wonder if it's from Minnie and Mickey.
Good afternoon. This is Lori from Lenny by Spa by Disney.
Oh, it's the spa.
We do apologize that our outdoor hydrotherapy garden is closed for enhancements.
You know what that means, though?
What?
We gotta come back in the future.
We gotta come back so we can do the hydrotherapy
Because
garden.
we were really looking forward to the hydrotherapy garden.
Yeah.
It has our room number on the TV.
Yeah.
Wait, it says...
Oh, it says welcome to Edmonds, Ohana. Ohana means family. Family means no one gets left behind.
We're a family now because we're married.
We are. You're my Ohana. So look what just showed up at the door.
This is dessert number 3.
Chocolate.
For free within
strawberries.
like a couple of hours. Like not even a couple hours. Like within the last 90 minutes or so.
Confession though, the strawberries weren't free. I called and ordered them.
Oh, you ordered them?
Yeah.
Aww.
They were supposed to already be in the room when we got here, but we were too quick.
Oh, that's sweet though.
I ordered them for you.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Like
they say like Aulani on them, and they have like the arch. This is amazing. I can't get over how good this has been already, and it's only just been like a few hours. Ooh. A little chilly.
The sand is really soft though.
Oh, it is soft.
In the big blue world.
So Aulani has its own like.
Aulani.
It has its own lagoon out here. It's very calm waters.
Show the resort from back here.
It's right there, yeah. But it gets surprisingly deep pretty fast. I am not touching right now.
No.
Just floating out here.
Floating.
But it's nice and calm, so it's pretty relaxing. I'm really enjoying just floating. And there's no like creatures out here, so it's almost just like a saltwater pool. We are back in our rooms from the beach. We've got like 2.5 more days here, so we're gonna try to get rest up tonight so we can make the most of it. We've got our character breakfast in the morning, and then we've got massages at the spa, and then the rest of the afternoon totally free to explore the resort and have some fun in the pools and the beach. Like I said before, it's just surreal that this is where we're at, and we're both very excited about it, and we're very excited to share it, and it's very inspiring here. So we hope you guys have enjoyed this first day at Aulani as much as we have. Thank you for watching. Remember to create the life that you love, and we'll see you later. Bye.